Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is another video about the Parque Tricao and I will tell you about Humedal. I have decided to split the video about Parque Tricao in 3 parts. Like thematically it's better and I guess it's easier to watch smaller videos than one like 25-minute video. So don't forget to find the other 2 videos on my channel as well. And today I want to focus on Humedal Giverny. This one is basically a garden with several ponds in the middle. It was inspired by the Giverny gardens that were painted by Claude Monet in France. And here when you get into the park, you can get like a whole tour of this garden and see all the different plants that they have, some birds that live there, and also we even saw a fox. So you know, it's really connected to the nature. There are not a lot of people there, at least when we came there, and it's very nice that they have a big bed of water there as well. You will go through different paths that lead you around the lakes or directly through the lakes, like little bridges. There are a lot of places where you can sit and relax, and of course there are a lot of wonderful picturesque views. Next to each plant you will have like a little description of it, what's the name of it, where it comes from. You also have like some paths that go a little bit more in the forest, and you can have a view even to the waterfall, a small one but still like a waterfall. So it's a very beautiful, very relaxing walk. And you know, like even my child enjoyed it. So if you go in there with little kids, don't worry, they will like it as well. Just try like to point out all the different plants and flowers that they have there. I will leave the link to the web page of this Humedal in the description of the video, so you can go there, check it out. I remind you that you need to pay to go to the Tricao Park, and you can get there only by car or if you get an excursion from Santiago. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.